In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete the Epic Games Launcher and uninstall it. So you'll have to go and open your settings. You can go and hit the Start option and type settings, or simply hit Windows I. Both will open settings. In here, you can go on this left panel and click on apps. Go and click on installed apps. And in here, an example, you can simply just go and look for Epic Games Launcher. If you have a lot of apps and you don't want to go through all of it, all you need to do is just go and look for Epic Games. For me, I don't have it installed, so I'll not be able to find it in here. But for you, once you find it, all you need to do is just go and click on the three dots. Let's say, an example, it is Microsoft Edge. Let's just say this is like Epic Games. So click on three dots. And once you do so, you'll find an install button. Go and click on it, and then click on install again. And of course, they will ask you if yes, you want to do it, click on yes, and you should be good to go. Microsoft Edge will not be installed, so no matter what. But Epic Games will definitely be installed and deleted. So let's say, an example, I'm just going to show it with this app. I don't need it anymore. I can just go and click on next. As you can see, you'll get something like that on Epic Games. You'll just have to click on submit and OK, and you should be good to go. So of course, like, I'm just going to answer something, and it should start in installing right away. So once it's done, it should be installed and deleted from your PC without any problems. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.